Kitchen vocabulary.
Kitchen vocabulary.
Kitchen towel.
Kitchen towel.
Apron.
Apron.
Oven gloves.
Oven gloves.
Kitchen gloves.
Kitchen gloves.
Plate.
Plate.
Bottle.
Bottle.
Blender.
Blender.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Bakeware.
Bakeware.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Basket.
Basket.
Colander.
Colander.
Cup.
Cup.
Mug.
Mug.
Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Jug.
Jug.
Glass.
Glass.
Tea glass.
Tea glass.
Kettle.
Kettle.
Matchbox.
Matchbox.
Dish rack.
Dish rack.
Dish.
Dish.
Food processor.
Food processor.
Spices jars.
Spices jars.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Fork.
Fork.
Knife.
Knife.
Cleaver.
Cleaver.
Chopping board.
Chopping board.
Scissor.
Scissor.
Cutlery.
Cutlery.
Knife set.
Knife set.
Butter knife.
Butter knife.
Ladle.
Ladle.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Griddle.
Griddle.
Gas lighter.
Gas lighter.
Grater.
Grater.
Grill pan.
Grill pan.
Grill.
Grill.
Pestle.
Pestle.
Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
Masher.
Masher.
Peeler.
Peeler.
Pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter.
Rice cooker.
Rice cooker.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Salt pot.
Salt pot.
Saucepan.
Saucepan.
wok,
wok,
sponge,
sponge,
strainer, sieve,
strainer, sieve,
tongs,
tongs,
whisk,
whisk,
garlic press,
garlic press,
toaster,
toaster,
sandwich maker,
sandwich maker,
coffee maker,
coffee maker,
microwave,
microwave,
oven,
oven,
tray,
tray,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
deep fryer,
deep fryer,
air fryer,
air fryer,